What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. $100 a day, 30-day challenge. Since the last episode, we made $643 of profit. I didn't record them or I didn't upload anything, and because most of the trades were actually done on my cell phone. So I'm going to go over these really quick. The trades that since the last episode, which was this is where we ended at. And then I'm going to show you the reasoning behind why I made most of these trades. So real successful so far. Although the market has been red, we've been still making money. The only two losses we have are Apollo and Aurora. Luckily, we reduced the loss on I was going to say Apple, on Apollo, because we averaged down. So again, averaging down is key. Don't go all in. I know you want to make money. I know you want to succeed. I know you want to profit, but never go all in. Be smart with how much you invest in each crypto you go into. Luna and Swing Buy. Swing Buy was by far one of our most successful. I think we also had VAI in the past, but Swing Buy, extremely successful. Bryce, Paul X, very nice profits. And then the only other loss was Unbound. Unfortunately, this was supposed to, I think I rushed in the sell. I just really rushed it, and if I waited a bit longer, I would have made money on this. But then again, I wanted to be decisive. I made the decision. I took the loss. And this is our biggest loss to date from any of the trades we've made so far. And finally, last but not least, we're up $1,800. I noticed how Bitcoin just pumped. So this is a really good time for me to average down. I did end up averaging down XHV, Lava, and VAI. I basically doubled my position, so 500 on each and then 1,000 on XHV. And I'm hoping, because Bitcoin is pumping in this scenario, the 4-hour looks really good, that this would influence XHV and VAI and Lava. So that's kind of the goal. For some reason here, XHV is just glitching. And let's just find it. Bryce, nope. I need a block. Also looks pretty decent here. There's already a candle. Kind of missed 3%, but I might actually buy this. But let's give it a sec. Let's take a look at Haven. And again, looks fantastic. It's sitting at 49. I already averaged down around 47, give or take. I added a full $1,000. It's just looking good, and I'm hoping that it just follows through with Bitcoin. Now looking at VAT, it's also following a very similar trend. This is the 4-hour chart. Again, this could possibly be a fake out, so I'm really trying my best here to time it well. The goal is to flip it as quick as possible so that I can break even, and if I could possibly make a profit, I will. XHV, again, could go either way. The MACD, as you can see here, is up and down. The RSI is up and down, and it's all about timing. So Bitcoin is still pumping. It did drop from its peak. The goal is to time it all and hope for the next run. So let's see what happens in a few minutes. The unrealized loss is about $220. So we already averaged down. The goal is to run it up with Bitcoin running. The goal is to break even or make it out with a small profit. 10 minutes in, and we're almost breaking even on Haven. We were down 200 at some point, and we recovered so far $50, which is really nice. So the goal here is to get out on time in a good time. This on the 1 minute, which no one really cares about, was bearish. However, on the 30 minute, it's starting to trend upwards. The 50 minutes also starting to trend upwards. So I'm going to hold for a bit, and I'm hoping that I could sell in the 52, 53 range. I should be profitable at that point. If not, I should be breaking even and getting out. The reason I was bullish on this is CMF is going up, which is the money flow. It's showing people are buying. The RSI is also running upwards again on the 15-minute chart. And the MACD is turning bullish on the 15-minute chart. So I gave it another 15, 20 minutes. So we're about 30 minutes in. We're at 10,864, meaning we made majority of our money back, which is really awesome. It's time to sell. So now just looking at XHV, the 5 minute feels like it peaked. And Let's just sell at market. 520, we're profitable. We dropped to 10,836. Is that it? So we lost $30 on that because of the market sell. It's no big deal. I'm going to cancel this limit order I had for VAI. Since it's not hitting, I'm just going to do a market sell, get out before it dumps. Again, the whole point of averaging down was to get out as soon as possible, breaking even or with a small profit. So let's just 100%, and it seems like the order book is okay. So there's like a 20-ish difference here. I'm hoping it averages me around 1170, even 1160. I would at least break even. I won't make any profit. Let's sell, and let's see. It still hasn't updated. Let's do it again. And what? Okay. There goes our profit. We just went from 865 to 765. We lost $100 because of that. No, that's very unfortunate. It's all right, no big deal. We are still up. We're up 1,765 for the 15 days. We still holding block, which is up, and then lava is the only thing we're currently down on. It seems like Blocktopia has peaked, and I'm just gonna sell to be safe. I'm up only about $22, $25. Might as well get out with some extra change, recover that unfortunate 100 I lost, and that sells it. We're currently sitting at 10,782, and then we're just left with lava, which I'm most likely just gonna liquidate at a loss. Since I don't feel like spending more time, I spent about an hour in total today. So we're going to leave it at that. That's it for the day. We're still up 1,700 or almost 1,800 for over 15 days. We're averaging over $100 a day. I'll take the rest of the day off. I'll keep looking at night, just checking to see if there are any good buys, and I will catch you in the next one. As always, thank you for watching. If you have any feedback, please leave it in the comments. Please like and sub if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.